Starting around 02 July 2023 in every practical sense, spell all things considered, token truly is exchanging at $0.00047557 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.18% in most recent 60 minutes, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Spell especially has an extremely all-out market cap of $51,079,349, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,546,841, which explicitly is genuinely critical. This truly makes in a real sense spell exceptionally token. Spell, lovely positioning at 362 in the digital currency market, in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what most certainly is the spell exceptionally token cost forecast finish of 2023, what will truly spell especially token basically be truly worth in 2023? Or so they thought. Is by and large spell sort of token a very wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023? Incredibly, will explicitly spell cost generally outperform its record-breaking high? Or so they really thought. These sort of are for the most part spell genuinely token cost expectations for spell's future in an unobtrusive manner. Spell certainly token, spell, value expectation 2023. As per the spell sort of token gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the spell cost truly is supposed to, for the most part, cross a normal value level of $0.0005637.2, the normal pretty least value worth of generally spell sort of token, toward the finish of the extremely current year. Ought to by and large be $0.0005448.3. Besides, certainly spell can for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $0.0006406.5 in an unpretentious manner. Spell value conjecture July 2023. The spell genuinely token estimate for July 2023 expects that the spell may by and large arrive at a greatest worth of $0.0005107, with an extremely least cost of around $0.000453339, showing that is really spell token a very wise venture or essentially worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is genuinely huge. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value spell can especially stretch around $0.0004959 for July, which basically is very critical. Spell value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of truly spell most certainly token in every practical sense is determined to truly be at around a really least worth of $0.000491888, exhibiting how certainly is by and large spell commonly token a wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. The spell kind of symbolic value worth can really arrive at a limit of $0.0005348.6, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.0005107.8 in United States dollars, or so they especially thought. Spell truly token value estimate September 2023. The fundamentally normal cost of sort of spell especially token, spell, could truly go to $0.0005209.9 toward the finish of September 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Spell could sort of exchange around a by in large most extreme worth of $0.0005640, with the really least expected cost of $0.0004973.8, which fundamentally is very huge. Spell value figure October 2023. Concerning October 2023, truly spell genuinely token is supposed to especially arrive at an in every practical sense least value worth of $0.0005078.0 in a genuinely enormous manner. The spell cost could for the most part arrive at a greatest cost of $0.00058.645, with the in every practical sense normal cost around $0.00053.141, showing that on the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the spell in every way that really matters, token cost expectation end of 2023. What will in every practical sense spell pretty token especially be truly worth in 2023? Incredibly, spell value conjecture November 2023. Concerning November 2023, all things considered, Spell extremely token explicitly is supposed to, in a real sense, arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.00052905, which by and large is genuinely critical. The spell cost could arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $0.00061302, with the fundamentally normal cost around $0.00055267 in an unpretentious manner. Spell value estimate December 2023. With respect to December 2023, truly token in a real sense is supposed to arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.00054483 in a huge manner. The spell cost could arrive at an, in every practical sense, greatest cost of $0.00064065 with the, in every way that really matters, normal cost around $0.00056372. Fundamentally spell genuinely token essentially past value examination. In the all things considered, recent hours, the crypto certainly has been generally diminished by 0.9% in its sort of current worth, or so they certainly thought. In the event that we truly look at the truly current market cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap fundamentally is likewise down, showing how generally spell value gauge October 2023. Concerning October 2023, by and large spell extremely token in every practical sense is supposed to basically arrive at the very least value worth of $0.00050780. Kind of in spite of mainstream thinking, spell truly token by and large is confronting an extremely difficult time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins, showing how spell value conjecture July 2023. The spell especially token gauge for July 2023 expects that the spell may explicitly arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.00051007, with a genuinely least cost of around $0.00045339, exhibiting that in a real sense is truly spell really token, a genuinely wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023. Essentially, in spite of mainstream thinking, the spell sort of is down to nearly 4.48% in the especially most recent 7 days, which generally shows that generally spell value figure October 2023. With respect to October 2023, in a real sense, spell certainly token generally is supposed to explicitly arrive at any rate value worth of $0.00050780 in a fundamentally large manner. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for genuinely past sort of couple of days. The coin could for the most part have in every practical sense solid basics yet. We don't especially imagine that it would a beneficial resource in sort of present moment, which sort of is very